devastation?
Yeah, I think
they can get that from there. If not,
we
call
go
the
for,
judge. He'll get it.
Oh, you know.
It's an LDS church up by the Barker Attics that was flooded.
Wow. Yeah.
So I just texted. I was up on an airboat there, and just went by and texted in the picture.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We have been, it's been amazing what's been going on. But the help that, we've been seeing from everybody. The response has been amazing.
Obviously, we mourn the loss of life.
Right.
But seeing the churches be energized and awaken and engage in the communities and help people who are hurting, that's what the church should be doing every day. And we're seeing a lot of church communities doing that. And I think it's one of the many.
I think it's wonderful.
It is one of the many positive things that has come in the face of this tragedy.
And they will be
I
blessed.
appreciate it. Thank you for everything you do, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming. I'll see you at the next Rotary.
God bless you.